Hello and welcome to my channel Yalla Toys. How are you friends? I hope you all are fine and we are here with again a beautiful episode for you. As you can see, our tray is full of everything. As much we can provide you in this video, we try to full here and you can see this beautiful thumbnail. So let's start collecting all the things from this tray to a basket. Then we will move to washing area. We have today guns, we have today this construction machine, we have today a lots of your favorite cartoons character, and we have some animal and beautiful gadgets for you. We have cars. As much we can bring for you, we try to bring in our single episode. So let's collect them one by one and they will move to immediately in the washing area. You need to guess what kind of mask we are using in today's video. You can comment us now so we will know how genius you guys are. We have few things left. As you can see, my hands and my all tray is full of mud, and this is really very fun video because I always love to record all these things for you. So we have collected all the things. Let's move to washing area. Let's start fun. And here we are. Let's start our video. That's a vehicle, but that's your favorite character vehicle. Let's wash him. That's a McQueen character, tow meter.
Look at me, a motorhead.
Let's check out the next one. In the next one, we have a very dangerous weapon. Let's watch him. Yalla, yalla, yalla. And we have a rocket launcher. Wow, this is crazy. And let's check out the next one. Let's watch. Here we go, Narwhal. That's a fish, guys.
The unicorn of the Arctic Sea. Where are you off to today?
Let's check out the next one. So, did you guess what is this? Here we go. We have the Iron Man mask. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have a 4x4. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. Police jeep. Wow. That is awesome.
The cousin of a car. I am a jeep. See me in jungle safaris in the woods deep.
And the next one we have a small pistol. Let's wash him. Here we go, we have a pocket revolver. Wow! Let's check out the next one. Let's wash. Here we go, alligator. Wow! Let's check out the next one. Let's wash him. Here we go, sports car. Wow, that's a beautiful, lovely sports machine. Let's check out the next one. Let's wash him. We have some construction machine. Let's wash. Here we go. We have a wheel loader. Wow. And the next one we have is, let's wash. It's a construction machine again. And here we go, crane. That's a very beautiful machine, crane.
Lift it high, 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 high.
And the next one is a binocular. Let's wash him. Here we go, binocular. Let's check out the next one. That's a car. Let's wash him. Let's wash. And here we go. We have an American muscle car. Let's check out the next one. Let's wash. And here we go. We have a hydraulic hammer. Wow. And the next one we have again a beautiful machine. Let's wash him. Here we go, 95 McQueen Lightning car. Wow.
Checkered flag, here I come. Oh no! McQueen is blowing a tire! And with only one turn to go, can he make it?
Let's check out the next one. That's a big gun. Here we go, AR-15 rifle. Wow. And the next one we have an army man. Let's watch him. Here we go, army man, full suited booted. And the next one again we have a car. Let's watch him. Here we go, sports car, sports racing car. Wow. Let's check out the next one. Here we go, deer. Wow, that's a beautiful animal. Let's check out the next one. That's your favorite character, PJ Mask. Wow.
On to our next location. I can't go after that ninja and save Yalla and Gecko. He tricked me.
Let's check out the next one. We have a big gun. Here we go. We have a 10mm revolver, guys. Wow. Here we go.
And then we'll go to double.
In the next one we have some gadget. Here we go. We have a compass. And in last we have construction machine. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. We have a road roller.
We are the Finger family.
So this is it from today. Please subscribe the channel and thank you so much for watching the show. Have a great day, friends. Take care. Bye-bye.